A very good evening to you. I'm Dwayne Burbick with your Business Day. The Bank of Jamaica has the task of managing the country's currency, ensuring that enough is available to conduct transactions. But what goes into making the notes and the coins we use? Dashan Hendricks spoke to the Bank of Jamaica governor about the issue and now reports.
How much money goes into circulation varies from year to year.
So there's a demand that is determined by what people want to use, what they need for various purposes, and that's just the demand. And our job is to meet that demand.
It's the Bank of Jamaica's business to match supply with that demand, a day-to-day task which it has got down to a science.
For this year, 2017, that we're in for this year, we have ordered 102 million pieces, different pieces of banknotes. And we've ordered 184 million pieces, different pieces of coins.
63 million were $1,000 notes, 25 million were $500 bills, and the other 14 million were $50 notes. The total value, $76 billion.
The other two notes, the 5,000 and the 100, we did not need to order any. We had enough from the previous year's stocks.
The value of the coins ordered was $1.2 billion, but it's not all coins.
For quite a few years now, actually, the demand for the, say, 10 cents, 25 cents, 1 cent has been essentially zero. There's one or two little orders every now and then, as an example.
But what is the cost to produce all this money?
What we don't disclose is the actual money that we spend to make money.
What he did say, though, is that making the currency less vulnerable to counterfeit has driven up the cost of producing notes and coins.
We also pay attention to the changing costs for the issuance of notes and for purchasing the notes.
For now, he wants Jamaicans to just think about the value of the notes and the coins they have, rather than how much it costs to manufacture those notes and coins. For the Business Day, I am Dashan Hendricks.
Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $128.26. The Canadian dollar is selling for $102.78. The pound costs $168.50, while the euro is selling for $152.05. The price of oil ended lower today on concerns of oversupply. Oil for delivery in September settled at $49.03 a barrel. It was down 56 cents. Medical Disposables and Supply says its profit in the 3 months April to June dipped slightly. The company reported profits of $16 million. That's compared to $18 million earned in the corresponding period a year ago. The main JSE market index reached a new all-time high in trading today after gaining more than 1,657 points, while the junior market index lost 40 points. Stocks posting gains today include 138 Student Living, Berger Paints, Derriman Trading, the JMB Group, the NCB Financial Group, and Seprod. On the losing end were 1834 Investments, Express Catering, Jamaican Teas, Kingston Wharves, Main Event Entertainment, Radio Jamaica, and T-Tech. And that's the Business Day. I'm Dwayne Burbick. Good evening.